Hey, what's going on, everybody? First of all, I just want to thank everybody who subscribed to my channel. Welcome back. You guys are the real ones. Thank you for watching. If you're new to the crew, get subscribed, get notified. But if you're already subscribed, salute. Anyway, we're gonna check out the the Plextone for Life true wireless gaming headset, low latency, which means you can game in these without any. This will match the lips. It also does have in-ear fit Bluetooth 5.0 custom sound. That's interesting. I want to learn more about that. Made for specifically for gaming. Now, if you check right here on the website, these are the true wireless headset for gaming for gamers. The For Life 120 milliseconds low latency custom gaming sounds, half in-ear fit. These have a really cool pattern on them as well, something that drew me to them. The low latency, especially for gaming. These do have customized video game speakers, can be effective for enhanced sounds of guns, footsteps, and sound effects. That's something that's pretty cool. You could play these using PUBG and things of that nature. But one of the things I did notice was that a lot of people had checked these out. So we're gonna go ahead and take a look at these because they're very popular, really cool gaming headset. Let's take a look at the specs on the back. Now we are getting Bluetooth 5.0 plus EDR. The range is 20 to 20 hertz. You get Bluetooth distance of 8 meters, 1.5 charging time, 8 to 10 hours music time with the volume at 40%, 100 hours standby time, microphones on board, 98 decibels, and 22 impedance. Now, let's go ahead, open up the package. It's like the slide open one. So it's really recyclable. I really do like that. It's not gonna harm the environment. This is definitely a way to save the environment, is to use these materials. You do get that plastic though, which definitely doesn't save the environment, but still really good. Let's go ahead and take a look at this. Unboxing experience, you get this portion to cover it. Now this is an all matte black case. The bottom feels really nice. It says For Life on it. USB, so that's not a good thing in 2021, but a nice size case here. It's matte black. You can see compared to the Sony's, it's pretty decent size here. Also the Trenya, it's gonna be right in the middle as far as sound. As far as size, and then you got the AirPods right here, so you kind of see right here. I also do got the Sound Peats, just a quick comparison of like the size, but I like the matte black overall material of these. Let's go ahead, pop these out and put them in the, well, these look cool. It's got a really good shape to it. Kind of reminds me of like some Sony's, or the ones that it really reminds me of is these right here, the Kumis. So look at the shape of this. It's got that earbud where it kind of pops out. So it's really similar to that. Let me just show you what I'm talking about. Pops out, looks really good. Has a different fit, which is cool because a lot of the earbuds all look the same. It's got these buttons on the sides as well as this nice colorful pattern on the side, which is really dope. So you can see these look really good as well. Like, I really do like the design of these overall. Charge. I mean, I'll be surprised if there's any juice in these right now, but close those. Let's see if we could connect it to a charger right now. So let's see what else comes in the packaging. Here's the charger. We got some spare ear hooks, so you can put the hooks on your ear and it'll actually stay in there nice and snug. You also do get your micro USB right here. You go ahead and use that as the flat cable. So pretty decent. At the top, I am seeing the earbuds charging through the case. It's a transparent top, and you can see right here when you lift the cover, you get that blue light. So there's like an auto pairing option here. Here it is. Okay, so there's the earbuds themselves. That's how they look in the case. Let me just show you that. You get these cool ear hooks for when you want them to stay in for like the gym. Let me do a pairing real quick and show you guys what this is gonna look like when you pair them for the very first time. and then we'll test out the sound quality, microphones, and latency on video games and on music. So let me see, open up this, and it should have an auto pairing feature. If not, I'll take them out. But it says BT, that means that this is the earbuds we're dealing with. Those are them right there. It's already pairing. When you open up the top, you hit pair and they automatically pair. They're at 70% right now. I can actually go to Spotify if I wanted to and just, you know, like enter some music right here for you guys to actually hear. Well, I can hear it and then I'll tell you how it sounds. So let me just take these out. And the fit is pretty good. I really like how they fill the ear. They fit really well in the ear. Matter of fact, also it gives off a nice noise cancellation, of passive noise cancellation. So it's not that silicone. It's actually an in-ear fit that fits really well. So it's not like that passive lock-in mechanism where you're getting the silicone ear tip that blocks out everything. It's still that open ear design, but I'm still able to hear everything that I'm saying, even though there's a block here. But the words do, there is some sort of passive noise cancellation on here. So that's pretty cool. Let's hit this play button. All right, so this is halfway up. It sounds really clear. I can barely hear myself right now talking over myself. So you get a physical button, press again. 1, 2 for the next song. Let me listen to that for a little bit. It's still loading. Okay. I'm gonna turn it up a little bit more. All right, so it's a little bit muffled at full volume. The bass is, I'd give it like a 7.5. It's not like the best bass, but it's there, it's trying. Let's go ahead and test out latency on video games. All right, so we're loading up PUBG as we speak, but right here, if you triple click the volumes, the button on here, it'll raise the volume on the right side. And on the left side, it'll decrease it. Now, I am hitting that button and it's not actually jamming in my ear. It's actually pretty comfortable to hit that without discomfort. Trigger is gonna be like exactly when you hear it, when you press the trigger. So let me just see if I could play this for a little bit, find some weapons, but these sound really good and it's matching up really well. Yeah, so that sounds really good. Let me just see. Okay guys, so these are the mics on the Plextone 4 Life True Wireless headset. Let me know how the microphones sound when I'm talking out of them. I'm actually gonna turn on some outside ambience noise right now so you can hear what it would sound like when I'm talking through noise. So this is the Plextone 4 Lives, and this is what it would sound like when I'm in an outdoor environment. Really noisy when I'm talking over, you know, like outside noise. So let me know if the microphones sound pretty good as well. But you are able to hear, you know, you can talk through either earbud at one time. You could put one in the case and listen to music with one or the other one. So I think that's pretty cool. But let me let me give you my final overview on these earbuds. So when it came to using the True for Life Plextone wireless headset for games, it was really good. They don't stick out much, so you can use them for like when you're laying down. The touch buttons are actual physical buttons, and I think that's pretty cool because when you're laying down, you won't hit it accidentally. Also, they do have a really nice low latency mode for gaming. You can get the custom gaming speakers with them, and the microphone actually works pretty good. It's suitable for PUBG and things of that nature. They do have a waterproof grade of IPX5, which is splash proof. They're working on iOS and Android as well. But overall, the overall package is pretty good for gaming. I could see them really good for, high quality code decoding chips and high resolution latency for gaming in particular. Listening and, speaking in them isn't bad as well. The mics are pretty decent when you're gaming and speaking to other people through the microphones. So let me know in the comment section. I'll leave a link down below where you can purchase these. But overall, they do have volume controls, skip tracks, play, pause, and everything of that nature. Let me know what you think about the Plextone 4 Lifes. But thank you guys for staying locked in with me. I appreciate every last one of you for watching. But these are pretty cool. They do offer 4 hours of playtime as well. But I'll check you guys later, and I'll get right back with you.